Hey guys, it's Adam. How are you? It is so hot here. I'm in Jamaica. I decided to come to Jamaica today. And, just kidding, I'm in my office. It's snowing shit tons outside my window, and I'm very upset about it. See? Ugh, gross. I'm just rearranging my office, but my cousins, they just sent me a box, and anytime someone sends me anything, I'm gonna do an unboxing, so they sent us a sweet card. That's just for me. Oh, they go on so many fun travels. They just got back from Disney World, and how freaking cute is this? It's like a little tracksuit hoodie, and piped in glitter. Sign me up. Insert picture of me with it on. Ow! Dollywood. I'm gonna use these at work. I love a cup with a lid. I mean, I'm very clumsy. Oh, how cute. This is so sweet. I just love my cousins, Tammy and Angela. Oh my gosh. Dolly Parton banana cake. What? Okay, someone get me a spoon. I'm just gonna start going at this frosting. Oh, and it's Dolly. I don't want to eat it. She's too cute. What are these? Glasses from the Epcot World Showcase. Precious. I love it. Ooh, two for my Valentine, Barney. Oh my gosh. It's another one of their amazing plaques. You guys, I have their plaques everywhere. How freaking cute. You need to check them out. I'm going to put a link in my description. Oh my gosh. They do such a good job with these, and I love this. This is going to hang in my office. We're going to, as soon as I finish it, it's going somewhere in here. Ooh, these are better than the IKEA bags, you guys. I have a few of these, and I love them. They're good for everything, and they sparkle. How sweet. Last but not least, what's this? What? Is this needing to go right here? This is so cute. Oh, it's for my office. It'll go great in here. I need to get out of the snow. We're gonna go. Cousins, thank you so much. That was very, very thoughtful. I was having a very bad week, and it really touched my heart. I love you. Y'all be sure to check out their amazing business on eBay. It's under Meant to Be, B-E-E, like a bumblebee, creative. Check them out. I'll put a link in. And if you guys ever want to send me anything, I'll open it. I will open it. I'll put it on camera. Just send me a little message. That meant a lot. So, thank you. Until I see y'all next time. Remember, keep it paranormal.